Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to Trending Reviews. Now I have here today the Google Pixel Buds. If you haven't seen my previous video, take a look at that now. I've got the unboxing and full review of that. The link is in the description below. What I wanted to show you today is the Google Translation feature that comes with these Pixel Buds. Now what that does is allows you to speak to anyone in any language and it translates back to English in your ear. And I'm going to be showing you today in Portuguese. I think it's pretty neat for someone that likes to travel a lot, and it's a really cool feature which I'm going to try out and give you a review at the end. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so you just put the buds on. Right, so to translate and have a conversation with someone in a different language, you have to first make sure your phone is unlocked, and then you hold the right earbud down and you say, Google, help me speak, and then the language you want to speak. You then pass the phone to the person you want to have the conversation with, and it will automatically open up the Google Translate app. Once you've done that, then you can start speaking to someone in the language that you've chosen, and I'm going to be showing you that now. Today I'm going to be speaking Portuguese, and I don't speak Portuguese at all, so I won't understand a word my friend will be saying. So let's go ahead and see how that looks. Okay, so this is my Brazilian friend Amanda. She's going to be speaking Portuguese with me.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
So I'm going to be testing with the Pixel Buds, and she's going to be speaking Portuguese. I don't speak Portuguese at all, so I'm going to see if it translates everything back to me in English properly. So let's give this a go. Google, help me speak Portuguese. You can see the Google Translation app has opened with Portuguese and English down there, so I have to pass the phone over to the other person, and then I'll start speaking in English and it will replay it back in Portuguese on the phone. Amanda, how are you on this cold, freezing day today?
Amanda, como você está neste dia frio de congelamento hoje?
Hoje amanheceu muito frio em Londres. Eu estou usando 3 casacos. Muito frio. Você tem algumas férias planejadas para agora?
Today dawn's very cold in London. I am wearing 3 coats. Very cold. Do you have any vacations planned for now?
Yep, in 2 weeks I'm flying to Norway, and then in the summer I'll be going to Thailand. What about you?
Sim, em 2 semanas, voando para a Noruega, e no verão eu irei para a Tailândia. O que você diz?
Eu vou para a Espanha no dia 24 de junho para o verão também.
We're going to Spain on June 24th this summer too.
Okay, Spain is nice.
Você está conseguindo entender tudo que eu falo em português?
Are you able to understand everything I say in Portuguese?
Yep, the English seems like proper sentences, and so far it's done a good job. How's the translation quality back for you?
Sim, o inglês parece frases adequadas e até agora é feito bom trabalho. Como é a qualidade da tradução para você?
Eu consigo entender tudo que você fala, as sentenças, porém a gramática às vezes está errada, mas eu entendo.
I can understand everything you say, sentences, but grammar is sometimes wrong, but I do understand.
Okay, great. So thanks for your time, Amanda, and thanks for helping out on my video.
No problem, I hope I help.
Ok, ótimo. Obrigado pelo seu lembrete do tempo e obrigado por ajudar no meu vídeo.
De nada, foi prazer.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. Alright, so it's not so bad. I reckon the translation feature on these Pixel Buds are probably the best thing about them. And just to note as well, it doesn't translate every single language back into the earbuds for you. It's mostly the less common languages like Samoan or Zulu and that kind of stuff, but that's not a major issue. It's got all of the main common languages that are used around the world. It translates them just fine. And also you just need to remember to be connected to Wi-Fi or data as well to use this. It doesn't work offline. Okay guys, if you've used the translation feature before, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe as well. Also, I just want to give a big shout out to Amanda for helping me out in the video.
My pleasure. Problem.
And I'll leave the links for all of her social medias where you can follow and subscribe to her as well in the description below. And thanks for watching guys. I will catch you guys next time.